Welcome back to the channel. Today what I'm going to do is show everybody how to wire up a GFI outlet. So we're installing this one on this outdoor kitchen. That's all wired and done. I have two leads coming in. I've marked them, one with the red, one without the red. This is going to be the red, goes back. This is my hot, basically. This is the power coming in. When you turn these over, they kind of got them dummy proof, but this is the load terminals, meaning this is going to carry the load of the barbecue. So if anything happens, someone squirts a hose or whatever, in any outlet, this trips, just like a breaker on your breaker panel. You come over, reset it, you're live. So here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my hot line coming in, stripped and ready to go. There's our ground. There's our hot. There's our neutral. You got a copper screw and a silver screw. The copper colored is always the hot side. So this is our power coming in. You want to strip your wire where there's none coming out the back, so you have no chance of this touching anything and shorting out. And then there's our neutral side right there. Okay, tighten that guy up. They got a nice little ground strap on these, real simple. You just slide right in. Tighten that guy down. There it is. All right, so now we're gonna hook up our load side. Like I said, I have it color coded with this red tape, so I know this is my load going into the box down there. Strip them. Pull off our load side tape. Start with the neutral. Back off the neutral. This is stranded, so sometimes you gotta bring them together because you don't want any wires coming out of this little jacket there. Get it down nice. Boom. Now, the hot side. So all you're doing is running whatever power is feeding this next leg of receptacles. That's the load coming off your GFI. So all those are protected from any kind of shorts or water getting in there and shorting it out. So there it is. Okay, when you're screwing it in the box, you want to make sure that no wires get behind where these screws are right here that you're going to screw in, because what happens is you pierce them and you got a short. You're chasing it. Your insulated cover, because we're outdoors. I'm going to peel that guy apart like that. Take those little nubbles out the top, place him over there. So you want to really line it up nice and get a good press on that thing. I felt it there. Perfect. So there it is. So if you ever want to protect a circuit, or you're doing another little addition outside in a shed and you got an outside outlet, you put the first outlets of GFI, everything feeds off it on the load side. Now we just press reset. I've just turned on the power. Boom. And there's our little green light right there. Tells us we're live. Thanks for coming by the channel. I hope this helped you guys out.